Well, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of personality types. Today, we're diving into the unique traits of the Sigma male and why being alone doesn't mean being lonely for them. Sigma males thrive in solitude, and we'll explore the 7 key reasons why. Plus, stay tuned till the end for actionable steps on how Sigma males can enhance these characteristics. Let's get started. All right, so let's talk about Sigma males. These dudes are like lone wolves, man. They're independent as hell. They've got this innate ability to rely on themselves, They don't need a pack, they're good on their own. It's like they were born with this self-sufficiency, figuring things out for themselves from a young age. And this self-reliance, it's not about being antisocial, it's about having the confidence to make their own decisions, to live life on their own terms. They're not afraid to go against the grain, to forge their own path. It's like they've got this internal compass, guiding them, making them comfortable in their own skin, even when they're alone. And here's the thing about Sigma males, they're not just out there like running on autopilot. They're incredibly introspective. They spend a lot of time in their own heads, reflecting, analyzing, understanding themselves on a deep level. It's like they're constantly trying to figure out the matrix, man. They're not afraid to confront their own thoughts and emotions, and this self-awareness, it's a superpower. It allows them to manage their emotions effectively, to avoid those feelings of loneliness that can creep up on you when you're alone. They're comfortable with their own thoughts, they find solace in solitude, they're not seeking external validation, they find it within themselves. And this introspection, it fuels their purpose. Sigma males are goal-oriented motherfuckers. They've got this drive, this ambition that pushes them forward. They're not content with just coasting through life. They want to make a dent in the universe. They set goals, they chase their dreams, they're constantly striving for something more. This sense of purpose keeps them engaged, motivated, and prevents them from falling into the trap of loneliness. And it's not just about work, man. They're passionate about their hobbies. They pour their energy into personal projects. They find fulfillment in creating, in building, in leaving their mark on the world. Chapter 4, Quality over Quantity. Now, this doesn't mean Sigma males are antisocial hermits. They value relationships, but they're very selective. It's all about quality over quantity for these guys. They'd rather have a few deep, meaningful connections than 100 superficial ones. They're not interested in small talk or surface-level interactions. They crave real, authentic connections with people who understand them, who challenge them, who add value to their lives. And because they're so comfortable in their own skin, they're not afraid to walk away from relationships that aren't serving them. They'd rather be alone than surrounded by people who drain their energy. And this brings me to another key point. Sigma males are comfortable with solitude. They actually enjoy their own company. They see solitude as an opportunity, not a punishment. Think about it, man. When you're alone, you're free from distractions. You can focus on your thoughts, your goals, your passions. You can recharge. You can tap into your creativity. You can just be. Sigma males, they get this. They embrace solitude as a time for growth, for self-discovery, for pursuing their own interests. They see it as a positive and valuable state of being. It's not loneliness, it's freedom. And this comfort with solitude, it builds mental resilience. Sigma males are not easily swayed by societal pressures or expectations. They march to the beat of their own drum, man. They're not seeking validation from others. They're not worried about fitting in. They're comfortable in their own skin, and that makes them incredibly resilient. They can handle setbacks. They can deal with challenges. They can thrive in any environment. They're not afraid to go against the grain, to challenge the status quo. They're independent thinkers, and that's a powerful thing. And finally, Sigma males have strong personal boundaries. They know what they will and will not tolerate, and they're not afraid to communicate those boundaries. They protect their time, their energy, their mental space. They don't let just anyone into their inner circle. This ability to set and maintain boundaries is crucial for their well-being. It prevents them from getting caught up in draining or negative relationships that could lead to loneliness. They're selective about who they let into their lives, and that's a sign of strength, not weakness. It's about self-preservation, about protecting their peace of mind. To recap, Sigma males thrive alone due to their innate independence, introspective nature, purpose-driven life, preference for quality relationships, comfort with solitude, mental resilience, and strong personal boundaries. Here are some suggestions on how Sigma males can enhance these characteristics. 1. Continue to cultivate self-reliance by setting personal goals and achieving them independently. 2. Dedicate time to self-reflection and mindfulness practices to deepen self-awareness. 3. Pursue hobbies and projects that align with personal passions and goals. 4. Focus on building and maintaining deep, meaningful relationships. 5. Embrace solitude as a time for creativity and recharging. 6. Develop mental resilience through challenges and adaptability. 7. Maintain strong personal boundaries to ensure healthy and respectful interactions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Join us at the Sigma Summit channel for more insights and discussions on Sigma male traits and personal growth. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.